Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Oaktree TV. I'm Dave Kemp. So today I want to talk about Apple, and more specifically I want to talk about what the company is doing with its health app. So recently Apple just announced a partnership with the VA to integrate all of the VA's health records into its health app. So for veterans, they will be able to see things like their allergies, conditions, immunizations, medications, lab results, etc., all in their Apple Health app. And I think this is a really interesting development and kind of a harbinger of things to come, because it kind of leads to this idea that Apple is aspiring to be a very health-centric company and designing their health app to be a place where you'll be able to access, log, store, and share all of your health information all within that Apple Health app with your doctors. You need to look no further than what Tim Cook said, and I quote, he said, "I believe if you zoom out into the future and you ask the question, what will Apple's greatest contribution be to mankind, it will be about health." And so I think this is kind of an interesting position here for the hearing healthcare professional, because the hearing aids of today are all being integrated with biometric sensors now, or at least they might be. We're seeing that with Livio AI. And if you've read some of the stuff I've written in my blog, Future Era, if you've seen some of the things that I've talked about here on Oaktree TV around biometric monitoring, this is sort of the tune that I've been singing, is that the hearing aids of today and the hearing aids of tomorrow will be, along with amplification devices, they'll double as a data collection device for your biometric data. So that you can imagine that down the line, you might have a patient that has, say, a chronic heart condition, and you will be able to more or less prescribe them a hearing aid to say, okay, you have hearing loss, but you also have that chronic heart condition. So why don't we fit you with a hearing aid that has a PPG sensor embedded into the hearing aid that is capable of tracking your heart rate variability, so that, again, it allows for you to store all of this information into Apple's Health app so that it can be logged, stored, accessed, and shared with their doctor. I think this will be a benefit for your patients, as it will just add a new feature. It will be something that's more compelling to the devices themselves, and it will open some doorways with other medical professionals that look at hearing aids as something that is a multi-purpose tool that solves both the chronic heart condition monitoring aspect that they need for their patient, but also something that can help out with the fact that the patient might have hearing loss as well. So something to think about, something interesting that's going on with Apple that I'm always keen on. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Cheers.